I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Good morning. This is March 8th, 2021. These are the options that I'm looking at. I want to start off with this cautionary article from Zero Hedge. If you like Zero Hedge, if you don't like Zero Hedge, that's up to you. Whatever. I do. So basically, I'll link to this article in the video, but stocks rescued by the biggest intraday dip since 2011 EU crisis bailouts. Right? You can go ahead and read this article. I'm not going to attempt to, interpret it for you. But to me, if someone buys the dips and bails them out, doesn't mean the stocks are going to go back up today. So just keep that in mind. The market shows overall weakness. Just, I'm going to stay safe. So light positioning, and try to see what comes back. There's a few stocks that on Friday looked to be real winners, even though the market was going down. Walmart is the first on my list for real strength. So basically, here's Walmart yesterday. Here's Walmart on Friday. And we can see Walmart's just been going down and down and down and down and down, right? So this is during the last couple of days where the market had a little bit of turmoil. And Friday it was still going down, but she finally started to come back up. Walmart finally started to go back up. So what does that tell me? It tells me it was bottoming out before the market had issues, and people thought that this was towards the bottom, because even though the market was going down Friday, she stayed strong, and we can show that. Let's just look at 5-day 50, right? So the market was having trouble in here before it got intraday bailed out, right, from the Zero Hedge article, and Walmart was still holding. So when the market finally started to come around, it went up. So that's why, for me, Walmart is showing real strength at this level, right? I think it already hit the bottom. Now, that's my opinion. You get below 226 and you might have real issues. But, market was selling off, and Walmart was, not crying. It wasn't running for the hills, and people were buying up before that dip. Here's Apple. For Apple, for me, I want to see it get over the 122 range, see if we can get back up towards 128. Beyond, same thing. I'm still looking for Beyond to go above. Once it gets above 138, once it gets above 139, it's going to have tough sledding to get back through this, but Beyond can move, so I really want to watch it. Cost, same thing. Look at all this volume, right? Look at this volume compared to the last 30 days. They're trying to sit in the bottom here, so we really want to start looking for the trend reversal. That's what I'm looking for. Facebook, I got a bunch of drawings on here. I should probably, as we watch it, I look at this range, right? There's nothing crazy here, right? Look at this tight range, right? So we break either side, that's where we're going. Maybe to go up and pull back and go back up, or maybe to go down, up and down, but Facebook's kind of clear. It's going to make a decision soon, even if we go out a little bit further, it's going to make a decision. To me, it's just consolidating in here. $15 range is heck of a consolidation, but it's Facebook, so that's something to look for. FSLY, right? So we got the hammer, we got the MACD trying to come back up. We want to look for a reversal. $64 and like a month ago was at 122. Does it have value here? It might. It'll tell us. IBM, you know, kind of looking like Facebook, right? I'll just do it here for general purposes. Right? So you tell me where you want to go. Do you want a gap fill? Right? Because that's what we're pushing up into. This goes here. You're looking for gap. Right? And IBM's not a fast mover, but it's not super expensive. And if you decide to exercise your option, you know, it has dividends. Marriott, I liked it last week. It didn't really climb. The market took it down. But, you know, big hammer. MACD's holding. You know, we get above 148 to be safe. You know, you can start to climb through this range. Right? So here to here to here to here. We'll see. Nice hammer. NTES, right? Kind of same thing. Does the market start to tell us there's value at 108? We'll watch. You know, this will probably be on the watch list all week. Want to see that close a little bit. We can kind of see the range here. We can see it's pretty much down close to 30%. So we'll go from that. And Uber, right? 164, 155, big volume, big hammer. You know, I don't, you know, for me, if I do anything, my real price target is going to probably be 58. But, you know, a $3 move in Uber is not a bad payday. Good luck, have fun.